In this video, we are going to see the answers of 8th Standard Social Science Workbook, Unit 4, People's Revolt. Worksheet number 4. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, the political cause of the Great Revolution of 1857. Answer is option C, policy of doctrine of lapse. Second question, the Governor General who took action to suppress the revolt of 1857. Answer is option C, Lord Canning. Third question, who opposed the British at Barakpur in 1857? Answer is option B, Mangal Pandey. Fourth question, which of the following statement did not cause the revolution of 1857? Answer is option D, led to the emergence of the modern national movement. Fifth question, find out the links given to the Vellore revolt. Answer is option C, leather turban with a badge of cross on it. Second Roman letter, select the correct answer from the notes and write. So, இங்க notes கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இதில் கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் வந்து இந்த blanksல fill பண்ணணும். Sixth question, first is A. தீரன் சின்னமலை was a dash பாளையக்காரர். Answer is கொங்கு நாடு. Then B. He was called as Lion of Sivaganga. Answer is சின்னமருது. Then C. The commander of Velnachia's force was dash. Answer is Kuili. Then D. Minister of Kattabomman was dash. Answer is Sivasubramaniam. Then E. The place where the brothers of Kattabomman escaped from prison. Answer is Kamudi. Third Roman letter, identify the person by using the clues given. Seventh question, the first queen to fight against British colonial rule in India. And the second hint is known as Jhansi Rani of South India. Answer is option C, Velu Nachiyar. Fourth Roman letter, arrange the events in chronological order. Given events வந்து chronological order படி arrange பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. First வந்து conflict of புலித்தேவர் ended by 1767. So இது first வரும். Then conflict of Kattabomman ended by 1799. So இது second வரும். Then conflict of Marudh brothers ended by 1801. So இது வந்து third வரும். Then வேலூர் ரிவோல்ட் இது வந்து ஃபோர்த்தாக வரும். ஸோ ஆர்டர் க்ரோனாலஜிக்கல் ஆர்டர் எப்படி வரும்னா 4, 3, 1, 2. ஆனால் இங்கே ஆப்ஷன்ஸில் வந்து எதுவுமே கொடுக்கல. ஸோ இதான் வந்து கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபிஃப்த் ரோமன் லெட்டர், fill in the blanks. Ninth question, number of பாளையம்ஸ் under மதுரை நாயக்ஸ்பேர் dash. Answer is 72. 10th question, the first Indian king to defeat the British. Answer is புலித்தேவர். 11th one, the revolt of 1857 began from dash. Answer is Barakpur. 6th Roman letter, analyze whether the following statements are true or false. 12th question, first one, Meerut was the last area captured by the British. Answer is false. Then second one, the English were in complete triumph after the revolution of 1857. This is true. Then third one, after the revolution, the ruling power of the East Indian Company was handed over to Queen Victoria. Answer is true. And fourth one, Queen Lakshmi Bai was killed by the British in April 1857. The given year was wrong, so answer is false. 7th Roman letter, match the following. 13th question, first one, write the answer that fits correctly. Leaders இங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, forts இங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. First is புலித்தேவன், answer is நெற்கட்டும் செவ்வல் fort. Then second is Kattabomman, answer is பாஞ்சாலன் குறிச்சி fort. Then third is Velu Nachiyar, answer is Sivagangai fort. Then fourth is Dheeran Chinnambalai, answer is Sangagiri fort. And fifth is Marudh brothers, answer is Tirupattur fort. Second one, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer and write it down. So list 1 ஓட list 2 match பண்ணி correct answer வந்து கீழே மார்க் பண்ணும். First one is Delhi, answer is Nicholson. Then second one is Lucknow, answer is Lawrence. B க்கு 4, then Kanpur, answer is Campbell. C க்கு 1, then D is Jhansi, answer is second one. So D க்கு 2, Hagrose. Answer வந்து இந்த ஃபார்மேட்டில் இருக்கும் 3, 4, 1, 2. ஆப்ஷனில் செகண்ட் ஆப்ஷன் B. 8th Roman letter, 14th question, first one, write the names of the revolutions associated with the given picture. ஸோ இந்த பிக்சர் வச்சு எந்த ரெவல்யூஷன் சொல்லிட்டு எழுதணும். இது வந்து வேலூர் ஃபோர்ட், ஆன்சர் வந்து வெலூர் ரிவோல்ட். தென் இது வந்து கேட்ரிட்ஜில் கிரீஸ் வந்து அப்ளை பண்ண மூமெண்ட் வந்து டினோட் பண்ணுது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் சிப்பாய்ஸ் ரிவோல்ட். தென் இது வந்து மருது பிரதர்ஸோட இமேஜு. ஸோ இது வந்து திருச்சிராப்பள்ளி ப்ரொக்ளமேஷன் எழுதிக்கலாம், இல்லைனா சவுத் இண்டியன் ரெபலியன். Second one, look at the picture and answer the following. A. How did the greasy coating cartridge cause the revolt? Answer. Cartridges were greased by pig and cow. Indian sepoys believed that British were deliberately attempting to spoil the religions of both Hindus and Muslims. Next B. Investigate how the revolt was successful for the Indians. Answer. It is marked up turning point in Indian history, changed the system of administration and policy of the government. Then third one, look at the picture and answer. First is A, the name of the queen in the picture. Answer is Rani Lakshmibai. Then B, the area that led by her in the revolt. Answer is Central India, Jhansi. 9th Roman letter, analyze the statement. 15th question, statement 1. The Agni's turban was the immediate cause of the Vellore revolt. Then statement 2. At the end of the revolt, the British accepted the demand of the soldiers. Read the statements and choose the correct one from the following answer. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. Second one, the causes for the failure of the revolt of 1857. First reason, lack of unity and integration. Then second is lack of military strength. Answer is option C, both are correct. Third one, statement, the activities of the Christian missionary group were the cause of the revolt in 1857. Reason, Islamic scholars do not exaggerate this. Answer is option B, the statement is correct and the reason is incorrect. 10th Roman letter, caption, heading question, 16th question, Revolution of 1857. First one, which action offended the religious sentiments of Indian soldiers? Answer, introduction of new Enfield rifles. Second one, who was declared the Emperor of India by the soldiers of Meerut? Answer is Bahadur Shah II. Third one, what was the main reason for Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai to take part in the revolt? Answer is doctrine of lapse. Fourth one, when was the British rule re-established in India? Answer is 1859. Fifth one, what do you consider to be the most important result of the revolt? Answer, changed system of administration and policy of government. 11th Roman letter, read the paragraph and answer. 17th question, the revolt of 1857 marked a turning point in the history of India. It paved the way for changes in the administrative system and the government policy. First is A. How was the Governor General called after the revolt? Answer is Viceroy. Then B. English military policy is dash. Answer is divide and counterpoise. C. Magna Carta of India in 1858 was dash. Answer is Queen's Proclamation. 12th Roman letter, analyze and give reason. 18th question, first one of the reason for the defeat of the revolution of 1857 was the non-participation of all sections of India. Explain. Answer, lack of organization, discipline, common plan of action, centralized leadership, modern weapons and techniques. Then second point, non-participation of Bengal, Bombay, Western Punjab and Rajputana. And third point, modern educated Indians not supported revolt. They believed that British rule reform Indian society and modernize it. Second one, write the similarities between the immediate cause of the Vellore rebellion of 1806 and the Great Revolution of 1857. Vellore Revolt 1806, Great Revolt 1857. Answer, introduction of new turban, that is European hat with a badge of cross on it. Here, introduction of new Enfield rifles, greased cartridge. Then here, opposed by Hindu and Muslim soldiers. Here also opposed by Hindu and Muslim soldiers. 13th Roman letter. Map reading. 19th question. Use the hints to answer the following and mark the places in the outline map of India. கீழே இருக்க இந்த ஹின்ஸ் வச்சு கீழே இருக்க கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். தென் இந்த பிளேசஸ் வந்து மேப்பில் மார்க் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு மேப்பில் மார்க் பண்ணலாம். கான்பூர் வந்து இங்கே இருக்குது. தென் மீரட் இஸ் லொக்கேட்டட் ஹியர். நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் பராக்பூர் ஹியர். தென் டெல்லி இங்கே அண்ட் ஜான்சி ஹியர், மிடில் இந்தியா. First question, where was the revolt began in 1857? Answer is Barakpur. Then B, Bahadur Shah II led the revolt at Dash. Answer is Delhi. Then C, the area ruled by Rani Lakshmi Bai was Dash. Answer is Jhansi. Then D, Nana Sahib presided over the place Dash. Answer is Kanpur. Then E, the place where the young soldier revolted against the British. Answer is Meerut.